following the commemoration of the International Day of Persons Living with Disabilities, led by Eastern Cape Premier Lubabalo Mabuyane in Gqeberha. The Department of Agriculture continued its outreach efforts today by visiting beneficiaries from vulnerable groups to showcase ongoing support for persons with disabilities. Ahead of the official provincial launch, the department visited Zamomhle Special School in Gqeberha, where the school received vegetable seedlings, gardening tools, and hands-on planting demonstrations. The session was led by departmental official Gqeberha. Despite living with a speech impairment, Gqeberha is dedicated to empowering young people, particularly those with disabilities, to participate in agribusiness. During the visit, he guided learners through planting demonstrations, encouraging them to explore agriculture as a viable and potentially lucrative career path. His work focuses on sustainable development through agricultural practice, with his own journey serving as living testimony that disability is not a barrier to success.